is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your very own 100% free Minecraft server. Let's get right into it. So first things first, this is a Java tutorial. This is not PlayStation 4, this is not Xbox, this is not Windows or mobile edition. Now there is Bedrock support, so I do believe if you want your own server for mobile or for Bedrock, you can use a similar method to this. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's go ahead and open up our web browser. Now you can click the link in the description, or you can just go to this website right here, 𝙎𝐽𝑎𝑡𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑜s.org/go. So once you're in here, go ahead and press the big blue sign up button. Here you can choose a username. I am, of course, General How To, and I'm going to go ahead and just add some numbers back there. And push the big check button and then push next. So you can either sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, you can choose a password, and then you could also sign in with email if you want. So I'm going to be signing in with email for you guys right here. And let's go ahead. I'm going to type in my totally real General How To email at gayrep.com. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose a password right here. All right, and press sign up. And then of course you have to do the captcha. Now this one is a little bit dumb sometimes, so I'll be back with you once I finish the captcha. Okay, so after you finish the captcha, this is the very first screen that should show up. I'm gonna go ahead and save this password, and then so yeah, my username's up here. This is the account, very first thing you see, and of course we get to create a server. So go ahead and click on create a server. Now you can pick which edition you want. Of course I'm using Java edition. You can also choose your logo here. Let's see if I can find my How To General logo. Yeah, I'm not really sure my How To General logo is, so we're just gonna go ahead and choose this. Perfect, and create. All right, and then that's really all you need to do. This is your IP address. You can change that by pushing the pencil button. Apparently it didn't really change my logo there. And then I'm just gonna put it as General How To, so get rid of those numbers, and then you push the save button. You can change the description right here, which I've had problems with the description changing all the way before. If I could highlight that. So let's see. Welcome to the YouTube server for General How To. All right, perfect. Push the save button. Now there are a bunch of different other settings that you can edit here. You can edit your total players. I like to set it around 30. That's a good number. Of course, all of this is 100% free. 𝙎𝐽𝑎𝑡𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑜s, their motto is almost like they like to give players a free server. They think everybody deserves a free place to play. Of course, you can choose your cracked servers, your PvP, flying, command blocks, all that good stuff right there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off spawn protection because we don't need that. You can go into the worlds here. You can choose different things. You can set a backup. So if you already have a world, you can upload it. You can generate a new one, stuff like that. You can change the access that different people have. So if somebody else has an account, you can give them access to your server by inputting their 𝙎𝐽𝑎𝑡𝑢𝑟𝑛𝑜s username. I do believe there are ways that you can add plugins to your server. I'm really not all that up to date on how Minecraft servers work, but that's okay because it is super easy. All you have to do is push this start button right here, which is what we're going to do. You have to accept the terms. Now, since it's free, it is going to make you do a little activity, which is just watching a little video before it actually gives you this, the server, or in this case, do a survey. Most of the time, if you tell it that you're not applicable, am I interested in home remodeling? No. And this isn't one of those like weird fake surveys, excuse me, where like it just never ends. It does actually end. Of course, you don't have to be truthful on any of this. I would suggest being truthful. I'm just doing this out of time. I've actually never had a survey before. Most of the time, it makes you watch a video. It, of course, says thank you. It's really quick. It's not one of those fake things. And then press OK. I don't need notifications. Now, this process can take up to like 5 or 10 minutes. So just give it some time, be patient, and I'll be back with you whenever it's done. Alright guys, so the server is now online. As you can see right here, big green online button. You have about 2 gigs of RAM, like I think I might have said. I can't remember what I said. It's been a little while since I pushed the go button. So let's go ahead and click on our Minecraft and make sure that we got our IP address right here, which the IP I believe is shown right here. Yeah, so generalhow2.eternals.com, generalhow2.eternals.com, or .me, sorry. And we're gonna go ahead and press join server. And there we go, it loads right up. Now it is nighttime. Like I said, it's been a little while since I pushed the go button, so it is nighttime. But I am definitely in the server. Mr. 𝐿𝐻𝐽𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐿 is definitely my real ass Minecraft name, you know. Ha. So we can actually op ourselves if you want to. So 𝐿𝐻𝐽𝐿𝐻𝐽𝐿. So we can pause this for a second. We can go into our console and we can do /op cool boy 123, and what was it, 1238. Press go. There we go. And now I am a server operator, so I think I can time set time day. And there we go. Now it's daytime on our server. So yeah, you can do basically whatever you want. You just have to make sure that you set yourself as operator through the console right there, and then the server is 100% yours. If you don't make yourself operator, then you'll either be stuck in whatever game mode that you're in, and you won't be able to kick people unless you go through the website console. So yeah, so that's how you make your very own Minecraft server. It is 100% free. Eternals claims that they will never even attempt to charge you for this base edition. I do think that they have a couple of paid services, but I'm not even sure about that. I haven't seen anywhere where they ask anybody to pay, so that's really good. I do notice the servers seem to lag, but again, it's 100% free. You know, their server is run off of these ads right here. So if you do plan on having one of these servers, please do not run your ad block. You know, they get their money through the ads. So if you want a free Minecraft server, you might as well sit through a couple of ads. And like I said, whenever you push that go button, you're either going to have to answer a survey or watch a video, because they are needing that ad revenue to get you your free server. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, have fun out there. I'm going to be leaving up this server. You can go and check it out if you want to, just to see how it is for other people. I do not know if there is any sort of cooldown where, like, let's say nobody joins in 42 hours or maybe even less, it might close, but I'll keep an eye on it and try to keep it up for you guys for at least another week. What are these? Okay, you know, I'm not that used to the 1.16 stuff, and I've been seeing these around. I've been seeing these around, like on the server that I play on. I thought people were building these. These are natural, just giving you nether portals now. That is so wrong. You know, I used to play in, like, you had to work hard for your city. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I digress. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, leave a like. Please subscribe if you're new. I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and have fun out there on your brand new free Minecraft server. And please share the video if you found it helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.